kids, it's Ava, and today we have a very special creature to color. It's a unicorn. Let's get started. Ophelia is coloring unicorn's hair with silver color. Unicorn's tail is also of silver color. Dip and swirl, color unfurls, U is for unicorn, king of the yellow worlds. U-N-I-C-O-R-N, unicorn. U is for unicorn. It's so amazing to watch. I love a unicorn so much. This color is dark gray, and those are unicorn nails. Brushy, brushy, sunshine glow, making the unicorn's magic flow. She is coloring the face with light gray color. Could you guess the color of hand? Uh-oh. Did someone spill sunshine on the unicorn? Nope, just some sparkly silver coloring. Please say with me, kids. U as in? Unicorn. Yay! It's a lavender color. Thanks a lot for watching the video, kids. We hope you enjoyed learning about the letter U today. Join us again tomorrow for a brand new letter. It's going to be fun, and don't forget, your parents love you more than all the cookies in the jar. Take care.